Since it's a 3-in-1 machine, so we can directly turn this into a sanding machine. Before that, we have to take off some pieces of here. This, the tail stock, and the slider have to take off. Stuff it. You have to take off this one, this side, and the slider as well. And then we have to take off this central thing as well. Okay. Then we'll take out this one. Put this one aside. This two stuff over here. This two. First we put this inside stuff in here. Turn it. Yeah. Move free, and that's good. And now we put on this one. And we take out these two things here, put it in, and then we take out screw of, where's the box? Here we go. Take out this small screw right here. Take out two of them. You have to stuck it in here, and then connect them.
Okay. Okay.
Put in this one here, stuck it in, inside of it. And then take out this tiny little black part. Put it in like this. Just hold over there. Then use this one, the smaller one. Okay. Until you cannot spin it, and that's tight enough. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out right now. Then take out this one, and one whole slot nut right here. We'll take out the M4 times 10 spool from here. Look at this place. Stuck it in here. And you can see there's two small holes in here. And here. You have to use the small screw. Over here, this two small screw, like this big. Stuck it in first. This is a screwdriver. Yep. The other side as well. Now it's tight enough. Yeah, it's not falling apart. It's not fitting in. I guess I'm making a mistake again. Okay, let's have a look at the instruction here. Oh, that's why. You have to take off this one. We can make it. We have to not let it stand. Let's see first. I have to lay down on the back, not standing on the back. Careful. Take it off. Do it like this. Tighten. Make sure it don't moves. take out the 1/2 slot nut, and where is it? This M4 times 10 screw. Put it in this hole. Put the slot nut as well. Okay. Okay, it's not enough. And then we'll take out this platform and 1/2 slot nut. Take out 2 of them. And then we take out this, where is it? Yeah, paper box. We'll take out this M4 times 12, this screw, and 2 of them. And this hole, this 2 holes. Start with that. Then paint it. Take out the screwdriver. Now the screw is wrong again. I have to look at the instruction manuals again. Okay, I did a really big mistake. It's an M4 times 10. Oh my god, my eyes. Okay, I have to do it again. Hang to the slot nut. Yeah, make sure it's stuck in. Okay, it works. I'll put another one as well. Like this. Yeah, stuck in. Okay. So this place is what's happening here. You can see the wood is becoming more smooth right now. And this place is for sharpening your knife, stick, blah. Like this. Now it's more sharp. Can kill a pimple. Yeah? That's all for a sanding machine.